In this presentation, we're going to be going over material issuing as it relates to the Texas Restore project. This information is current as of March 4th, 2018. Let's begin. There are many different items available for purchase at Timberline Construction Group. These items are to be used on assigned work orders to the subcontractors. Those items are listed below. We have 1-burner and 2-burner hot plates. We have microwaves, refrigerators, window air conditioning units with heat, and portable air conditioners with heat. We have ADA shower tubs with grab bars and also with benches. We also supply water heaters, electric and gas, 50-gallon size. The actual cost of the material, if you decide to use material from Timberline, are displayed the rates in the middle column. And on the right side, that is the actual price that we will pay for doing the work of installing, replacing, or setting up the materials for those GLO items. Now let's go over the material issue roadmap. First, the subcontractor will identify the work order needs for the assigned work. They will contact the inventory manager from Timberline for the items that Timberline can order. The inventory manager will then order the materials needed if there is a shortage. Once materials are delivered, then the subcontractors are notified when their needs can be met. The subcontractors come to the designated location to pick up their materials. This could either be at the Timberline Construction Group office, or it could be at a supplier warehouse. For any pickups at Timberline office, an employee must escort the subcontractor to the material. The subcontractor must complete the inventory sign-out form for all material issued, and then the subcontractors will have the materials and supplies needed to complete the work order needs. When they go to sign out an inventory sign-out form, this is how to process it. First, enter in today's date under the date column. Next, enter in the description of the items you're taking. This can be very simple and generic. Window AC, portable AC, gas water heater, electric water heater, or refrigerator or microwave. Next, enter in the quantity or the number of units you are actually taking. Do not list out box quantities if they're grouped up in a box, but rather put the number of eaches. So if there is a box that contains 3 2-hot plate burners and you need 3 hot plate burners, don't put 1 box, put 3 2-hot plate burners. Next, print your name legibly under the print name column, first and last. And if you have a work order number, please supply the work order number or the address where the items are going to be used. This will help us track whenever there's change orders and help us manage inventory demands. And lastly, in the contractor column, put down the name of your company that you represent that is assigned the work from Timberline. Note, if you have multiple items, you can save space and condense the items you need on a single line. Just be sure to put the quantities of each item next to the description. You can put the numbers in brackets or parentheses around the quantities. So for example, in the next line down, we will see that 1 fridge, 4 microwaves, 6 window AC units, 1 single hot plate burner, and 3 2 hot plate burners are requested by Jane Doe for use on address 789 Needy Street, who represents or works with company WWCG. Note, if returning material, you must have everything needed that it came with. there must be, if it came with brackets, there must be brackets. If it came with a remote control, there must be a remote control. Everything must be with it to be able to be used on another house. If not, the item cannot be returned and you will not be credited for the amount of the cost of the item originally issued. If you are returning items, use a negative quantity when recording on this form. For example, if you return 2 refrigerators, then you would put refrigerators quantity -2 and print your name, the work order address that it came from, and the contractor company along with the date. How invoicing works. So the subcontractors will be issued goods to complete their assigned work orders. Subs will install the products in the houses per work order, and then the inventory manager will be sending to the invoicing department of Timberline every 2 weeks a list of all the material that has been issued to the subs. Invoices will reflect the prices for the work performed less the supplied material costs. Let's see an example. You have a work order to install an ADA shower tub with bench. You order the shower tub and bench from Timberline Construction Group. Timberline will pay you $1,384.25 for the work performed. Then Timberline Construction Group will charge you $875, which is the pricing for the material of the shower tub with bench. Your gross profit for installing the shower tub combo unit with the bench is $509.25. And below is the formula. Let's see a different example. You have a work order to install a window AC with heat unit. You go to Timberline to pick up a window AC unit with heat, and after the work is performed, TCG will pay you $351.81 for the actual work. But Timberline will also charge you $351.81 for the window AC unit. Your gross profit for installing a window AC unit is $0.00. And below is the formula. Again, Timberline does not get any profit for installing window AC units. So the price that the subcontractors will pay is the same price that Timberline pays for procuring a window AC unit. Note, if the sub pricing sheet shows a lower cost or a lower fee than what the actual material cost from Timberline is, the sub pricing should match the cost of the material if taken from Timberline. So for that matter, for example, if the window AC unit shows a sub pricing of $279, but the actual cost of the material of the window unit is $351, Timberline will pay you $351.81 for the actual work performed, and then take out the $351.81 for the actual unit. Now let's see a different example. You have a work order to install a microwave. You find on your own a microwave for $50 after taxes, and you decide to buy it and inventory it. You invoice Timberline $69.95, which is the sub pricing for the microwave. Since you did not get the microwave from Timberline, there are no expenses. Your gross profit for installing the microwave you bought is $19.95. So let's see how that formula looks. First, you spend $50 out of your own pocket money ahead of time, and you keep the receipts. And then, when you get done with the property, you invoice Timberline $69.95 for the job of the microwave. And then that gives you a balance of $19.95 profit for it. If you have any questions or concerns about this process, you should contact the inventory manager at Timberline Construction Group. Thank you. That is the end of this presentation.